everybody and welcome back sa aking channel. Today, may share ako sa inyo dahil first time akong nakagawa ng pineapple pie. It's been resting for an hour, so hindi na siya mainit. Look at that. Ayan ang nagawa natin ngayon, guys. I feel like eating Filipino food and, you know, na-remember ko yung sa kabataan pa kami that I went to the store and buy this pineapple pie. So, I decided to make one. Would you like some, sweetie? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Would you like to have some, sweetie? Well, if you like to eat pineapple pie, please click like, guys. And if you want to comment below. What would you like to mix with our pie? What is your recipe? Look at this. It's so yummy. Well, guys, this is our pineapple pie. Oh, let's try it. This is the best pineapple pie. This is my first time, guys, but it's so yummy. It's a success. Oh my gosh. My kids love pineapple, lemon, something na hindi chocolate. But if you serve them chocolate, they don't eat it. But this one, nag-thumbs up na sila, guys. Thank you for watching. Try making my pineapple pie. It's so yummy, guys. Look at this. If you like my video and if you like to bake a pineapple pie, please don't forget to click like. And if you like to share your recipe, please comment below and share your recipe. And before you forget, guys, before you leave, don't forget to click the subscribe button and welcome to Jennifer's Clubhouse. Bye! So yummy. I can't stop eating. Oh dear.